Hey everyone, this is Mr. Beef Lamborghini For Me, and we are back with our LFM Spotlight series. We're making this more interactive with video interviews from now on, and we are honored to do our first video interview with Lambo Lethal, who is the founder of Lethal Premium Car Care. Having a passion for cars and wanting to make his own car care cleaning products, Lambo Lethal did extensive research on materials, collaborated with several chemists, and started his own car product business. Lethal Premium Car Care makes high-quality car cleaning products, which prides itself on having grade A products made in the United States and having a wholesome customer service. While running his business, Lambo Lethal also shares his passion locally and in the car community with his uniquely customized Lamborghini Huracan LP580-2, which is also the logo of Lethal Premium Car Care. Without further ado, let's start this inspirational interview with Lambo Lethal Premium Car Care.
So my first exposure to Lamborghini was the Lamborghini Countach poster that most of us had as a child in our rooms. That was my first exposure to a Lamborghini, and I fell in love with that car, and to this day I'm still in love with the Lamborghini Countach. So I wanted to buy a Lamborghini, and a few years back I flew out to Florida to test drive a 2010 Lamborghini Gallardo. That was what's in my price range and what I felt comfortable with the payments. The first time driving the Lamborghini was on that test drive. During that test drive, I fell in love with the Lamborghini brand and the way their cars handle. About a year later, I upgraded to the Lamborghini Huracan that is behind me in the video. It is my all-time, by far, favorite car that I've owned so far. So the reason I started Lethal Car Care Products is because I am very particular on how cars should be maintained and how I maintain my cars. And there were several different companies out there that I would use, different ones of their products that would reach about 90% of my expectations, but I was buying like almost from everybody, 9 or 10, 12 different vendors to get the products that I liked, and they were still only reaching 80 to 85% efficiency of what I wanted. So I decided to go out and make my own brand, Lethal Premium Car Care Products, and that way I can incorporate everything that I wanted in a car care collection and bring it to 100% of what I would expect a car care product to do and how it should function and perform and the results you should get. So I put in the best quality chemicals into our products to give the customer the most positive experience they could have with using our products with ease and getting great results. Where I see Lambo Premium Car Care Products in the future is adding more product to our chemical line. Right now we have about 21 chemical products available, and we're trying and always working on producing new formulas of a new chemical, and we'd like to get big enough to be at SEMA next year and have a booth at SEMA and represent our car care products at their event. So the thing I would tell somebody about advice on starting their own business is, one, honesty. Be honest with your product, be honest with your customers. Nothing can substitute your reputation in business, so be honest at all times. Your reputation is the most important thing. The other thing is put out a quality product and stand behind it. If some customer is having a problem with your product, refund it gratefully, offer them technical support, whatever it takes to make them a happy customer. So this is my 2016 Lamborghini Huracan LP580-2, which means that's a rear-wheel drive car, not an all-wheel drive car. The things that have been done to it is that it has a built-in radar detector and jammer. We've obviously done the Lambo door conversion kit to it. It has a high-performance Lamborghini exhaust and various carbon fiber parts throughout the car, and obviously the vinyl package that has been put on this car to give it its aesthetics looks, and window tinting all the way around. and the aero package, front, rear, and side skirts to this car. The engine bay area of my Huracan is surrounded in carbon fiber panels with the purple and blue accents. Even the cross member brace is the same color blue as the blue on the exterior of the car. Everything under here is carbon fiber and polished to a shine. We've also put on the carbon fiber wing and base plate. Also added to the Huracan is the carbon fiber base plate and the carbon fiber aero wing. It's the low profile wing. We've carried some blue accents through the interior of the car. We have some blue outlines on the shifter paddles and on the carbon fiber cluster top panel. There's also blue stitching throughout the car that matches the blue exterior. And here are the Lamborghini doors in their upright position. This was added to the car as it did not have Lambo doors. I had a Lamborghini door kit hinge set installed to give it the authentic Lamborghini look. As you can see, the Huracan has the same blue matching accent stripes on the wheels, and it has the same color blue painted calipers. So what would I say to somebody wanting to own a Lamborghini someday? It is very attainable if you work hard, you're honest, and you save. It is not impossible to do. I did it. I am by no means rich, but I focused on what I wanted and saved for it and worked hard for it. There were no shortcuts except for hard work and dedication, and you will own a Lamborghini someday if you put in the effort.
So, this will conclude the LFM Spotlight Series interview with Lambo Lethal, the founder of Lethal Premium Car Care. I hope everyone learned a lot during this interview. I definitely did, for sure. It's great to see someone following their passion for cars, opening their own car care business, and enjoying their Lamborghini at the same time. Lethal Premium Car Care definitely has high quality products that can transform any car into a pristine condition. Thank you very much, Lambo Lethal, for allowing us to showcase your business and your beautiful Huracan. For more Lethal car care products, go to the link below so it can take you directly to their store. This is Mr. B from Lamborghini For Me. Take care, everybody.